In this video, we will see how to deploy our smart contract on Binance Smart Chain Mainnet or Testnet. So for this purpose, we will use remixethereum.org. That is the same that we use for deploying smart contracts on Ethereum blockchain. And here is a simple smart contract written in Solidity, contract test1, and a function foo that simply returns true. So let's compile this contract and deploy it on Binance Smart Chain. Control S, and the contract is compiled successfully. And here we will go to the deploy and run transactions tab. In the environment section, we will select injected Web3 to connect our remix to the selected network in Metamask. Here's our Metamask account, and in the previous lesson or video, we have seen how to connect our Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain Mainnet and Testnet. If you haven't seen that, the link is in the description. So here in our networks, we will change from Ethereum Mainnet to our Smart Chain Testnet for deploying the contract on Testnet. And for the transaction fees, we will need some BNB. So here's a Faucet Testnet Binance, and I'll place the link in the description. Simply place your account here and click Give Me BNB. It will be on the way. So now we have our BNB in our account and ready to deploy the contract. We will come back to the remix, and in the environment section, click the drop down and select injected Web3. It will pop up Metamask and asking to connect the account with the remix, and here next and connect. So after our account is connected to the remix, our account address will be shown here, and with the balance. Remix is showing it as the Ethereum. We are already connected to a PNB account. Okay, so that's not to worry about. So simply click deploy, and now again one more pop-up will appear here, and for the gas fees and confirmation, confirm the transaction. And now our smart contract is deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. We can also check it from here. The transaction is successfully completed, and here is our contract with the function foo, and with this address, and we can verify our transaction in smart contract on the Binance BSCScan. So here we can go to the testnet .bscscan.com in order to verify our transaction hash, and we can copy the transaction hash from here. Simply click copy and paste the transaction hash here, and here is our transaction status successful and contract created. Here is our contract address that is created. Click here to explore our smart contract. So our smart contract is deployed on Binance Smart Chain Testnet and AAAP, and this is the same address here. And so in this way we can deploy the same contract as we used to deploy in Ethereum to the Binance Smart Chain, either on Testnet or Mainnet. To deploy on Mainnet, we will use some real BNB in our account to pay the fees, and we will simply switch the network to the Smart Chain Mainnet network, and the remix will pick it up here. So if you like the video or found it useful, please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming programming videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.